is very good for us because I think the last year we do a very good Final Four, and we hope that this year will be the same.
Jorge Maqueda, thanks a lot. Thank you.
And I would like to ask a question to Rogerio Moraes. Hey, welcome. So, please tell me, how is it to play in front of these spectacular fans?
Yes, this fans is always amazing. Everybody can see the last game in quarterfinal in Skopje. We made always amazing atmosphere. Everyone, every player is so happy to play for these amazing fans from Vardar Skopje.
When you came here last year, you were new here. Now you're the defending champion. What is the difference to come back to Cologne and Lanxess Arena compared to last year?
Well, this year for us it's the same. We want to win, like the last time. We know we're gonna be not easy, but we work a lot for this weekend. We hope feel something good tomorrow. Then I hope every people here enjoy this game this weekend.
Good luck tomorrow, and on Sunday maybe you will be the defender.